Just one more thing. I want to clarify something with you. I don't want to confuse you now. I use all of these blades, but you can get the less expensive one in the 3, 4, and 6. I don't think you can get the less expensive one in this grade. But if you think you're just going to use this once or twice, then I would suggest getting these cheap ones. You can get 3, 4, and 6. You may have to buy one of these to finish off your project properly. But if you're going to do more than 1 or 2 patches, and if you think, hey, you might as well get some good tools, then I would suggest buying this grade here. These, and get a 3-inch like this too. This one has a tendency to rust. This one's not going to last as long. You don't want to get too much rust in your work product when you put it on the wall. Okay? So, I didn't want to confuse you by what I had said earlier